everyone, welcome to Homemade Chef where we'll be making different recipes. Today we'll be making everyone's favorite Bengali sweet Ras Malai. Come let us see how to make it at home. Here we'll be taking milk in two different vessels. Taken 3/4 liter in each vessel. One will be used for making paneer and the other one will be used for making milk base for the Ras Malai. And here we have sugar, 1 bowl of sugar for both the items I have taken. Lemon juice, I have taken around 1 lemon and rest of it I have added water to make it half cup of lemon juice. And here I have elaichi powder, cardamom powder and some saffron strands also, which is of course optional. And dry fruits you can take as desired, whichever you would like. And here I have kept 1 3/4 liter for boiling here and another 3/4 liter here. So this one, let us use it for making paneer. Let it come to a boil, then add the lemon juice. Add little by little at a time, like 2 or 3 spoons at a time, and keep mixing. Keep doing this process until the milk separates out and paneer will be formed at that stage. Now you can see it is separating a little bit. As and when we add, it will start separating more. You can see you will mostly have to use the whole of lemon juice here. Now you see the water content is separating and the paneer is forming. It is already forming now. You can turn off the flame. Now take a muslin cloth like this and filter out the paneer into it. You see in 3/4 liter we have this much of paneer now. Just scrape the bottom of it so that you don't lose out on any paneer. Now tie the muslin cloth tightly and leave it suspended for at least half an hour. You can even wash it with water to avoid lemon smell. Now I have taken another 3/4 liter here which was boiling from beginning. Continue to boil this until it reduces almost to half. And also remember, when it cools down it will thicken a little more. So keep that also in mind while boiling it. Now you can see the change of color. Now let us add some sugar to it. Add some elaichi powder and saffron as well. Can even add any essence if you really like to, or mango puree for example. Now let the sugar melt and you can turn off the flame. Here let us make sugar syrup. This is to cook the rasgullas. We'll add water to it. Here the paneer has been formed. I'll take it out from the cloth. And let us break it into pieces like this. Add just half a teaspoon of sugar. This is just so that it absorbs a little more sugar later. And mix it well. If you like to, you can add any essence to it. And now go on mashing it like this from the edge of your palm. Keep mashing until it turns very smooth. You will be able to see the difference. See, now it has turned out smooth. Now let us make balls of it, small balls of it, and gently press them and flatten them in the shape. If you would like to, you can keep the shape round also, that's not a problem. So here we have these many balls prepared. Now the sugar also has melted. Keep boiling it. Let us add cardamom powder or elaichi powder and the saffron strands that we had. Now when the sugar syrup is still boiling, add these balls to it, prepared balls. Add them slowly. Now we have added everything. We can close the lid and let it boil for at least 20 minutes. You can see that the balls will increase in size. It will almost double in size. That is when you can say that the rasgullas are cooked well. You can see that here. The size has doubled. Now just let it cool down for at least some time. And after it has cooled down, take out these rasgullas, squeeze out all the syrup from it. You can see how soft it is. And go on adding it to the milk base. And let the milk base soak in for at least some time. And the best is to refrigerate it for some time. Let us add the dry fruits. You can add any dry fruits of your choice. Now our rasmalai is ready to serve chilled. Have this delicious Bengali sweet and let me know your feedback. You can see how soft these rasmalais are. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this recipe and keep showing your love.